I already have the design selected onto the machine here. I already have the hoop and the stabilizer there, and I already have the material. So as of now, it does say it's going to take about 20 minutes. Y'all know it ain't going to take that long though. So let's go ahead and get started. Before I zoom the camera in, I'm letting it do its placement. It's tacked down. We're going to get the applique. After that, we're going to zoom in. And I'm going to let you guys just watch the rest of this thing stitch out. So do I got enough space here? It looks like it, my boy. Before we forget, let's go ahead and do a little skippy skipper. Alright, but we're going to take it out. Y'all see it, right? That's what I do all the time. Just going to go ahead and cut this out and I'll be right back. And just like that, we have it all cut out. Let's go ahead and throw it back into the machine and finish the stitch out. Again, like I told you guys, I'll let this thing zoom in, and you ain't got to watch me talking or nothing. Let's get it. Again, just try to pay special attention to the way that this thing is stitching out, because I did it like this on purpose. Let's cut this little thread here real quick. Continue. have it, guys. So the design is actually done. However, I did put a pause in it right now. I'm gonna have to take a look at it up close without popping it out of the machine just to see if it's necessary. However, on the design of the camera up there was a circle, and I just didn't know if the thread was gonna kind of fill in like the effect of the camera or not. So I didn't know if I wanted extra thread to go around there or keep it as is. I think it does look nice as is. However, I guess it wouldn't hurt. And I guess since it's only a couple stitches, if this does throw the whole design off, I can just, you know, unstitch it, right? With my hand. Let's see. That hardly did anything at all. So I guess there's no point in me putting that on there, but we'll see how it turned out. Let's go ahead and pop it out. And there's definitely going to be some cleanup that I need to do, but let's see how it looks. What y'all think? I think it looks pretty good. Again, the way that this is stitched out was for a hat. There's definitely a lot of cleanup because each letter on here was like separated. So it did like this and a tie off. Everything is like tied off. Instead of starting right here, ending right here, it starts in the middle and just goes like spaced out. So that's why there's a lot of, you know, strings and stuff like that in the design. I'm pretty sure there's going to be a few on the back. Not that many, but you guys see a few tie-offs. Whereas it could have just done, you know, this all in one, stopped, this all in one, and only had like 2 tie-offs. However, is quite a few of them, but the stitch out came out pretty good. He got some extra room at the bottom. I said, might as well make another pouch. There it is. And even though I do have, of course, enough room to make another one on the other side, I think I'm done for now because I've been making a whole bunch of patches so far today. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.